In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and organize media in Premiere Pro. Whether you're working on a brand new project or opening an existing one, getting your media organized is a crucial first step in ensuring a smooth editing process. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your project in Premiere Pro. If you don't have a project yet, you can easily create a new one by launching Premiere and selecting New Project. Once your project is open, it's time to bring in your media files. There's more than one way to do this, so let's explore the options you have at your disposal. One method is to use the File menu at the top left of your screen. Simply click on File, then select Import. This will open up a dialog box, giving you access to your computer's file structure. Navigate through your directories to find the media files you intend to use, select them, and click Open. Your selected files will then be added to your project. Alternatively, for a quicker import process, you can use the drag and drop method. This means you simply open your computer's file browser, locate your media files, whether they are videos, images, or audio clips, and drag them directly into the project panel within Premiere Pro. This method is particularly handy if you already know which files you want to use and want to save a bit of time. Another powerful tool available in Premiere is the Media Browser panel. Access it within the Premiere interface to browse the folders on your computer. This method is advantageous if you need to preview your clips before deciding which ones to import. Once you find a clip you want to use, right-click it and select Import, and it will be added to your project just like with the other methods. Once you've imported your media files, they will appear in the project panel. From here, you have the ability to drag them into your timeline to start editing. However, before jumping straight into the creative process, let's take a moment to discuss organization. Good organization helps keep your project tidy and makes it easier to find clips later on. In the project panel, you can create bins to organize your media. Consider sorting your footage by specific criteria, such as date, camera used, or scene. To create a new bin, right-click within the project panel and select New Bin. You can then rename it as needed and start dragging files into the appropriate bins. And there you have it. You're now equipped to import and organize your media within Premiere Pro. Remember, taking the time to import and organize your files correctly can save you a lot of hassle during the editing process. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.